Hi guys, another winter storm for January 12, 2024 or blizzard, and look how thick it is now, right guys? So the last time nag-snow katong Tuesday and now it's Friday, and then this one guys, the power line, once they're gonna freeze this, it's gonna be heavy. So kuyaw sila sa power out or way currently power guys. So and then it's 7:30 here and I have to go to work today. The kids are e-learning today guys. Look at the world. Keep us safe, Lord. Protect us even in this kind of storm. The hangin is so getting dry guys. Look at the tree.
Yeah, the
It looks
tree's
like the
pretty.
Christmas tree, huh?
Look, you
This
got
does
one
a
over
Christmas
here,
tree,
one over there. Yeah.
Mapuno na to guys. Hi guys, look at the weather here in Chicago. That since last night it was snowing, but last night it was kind like watery. Wet snow, so it melt fast. But now it's sticking, and they said tomorrow is Wednesday, and they said by Friday they're gonna have another 5 inches. So the weather is really here right now in Chicago. It's falling and
Well, the guys are
sticking.
outside now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, they're out there in snow.